So what can, I have taught you all very little last class. Can you all tell me what did we learn in our last class? Please raise your hand and answer. I don't want common answer. Okay? I will ask randomly. Arush, can you tell me what did we learn in our last grammar class? You were there on Saturday, right? Okay, Arush doesn't know. You don't remember or you were not there? You weren't there. Okay, Adina Nair, tell me what did we learn in our last class? Wait, let Adina Nair speak.
Ma'am, I was not there in last class.
Okay, so why did you raise your hand? Shrenga Srijit, tell me what did you learn? What did we learn?
Parts of sentence.
Parts of sentences. Excellent. So what did we learn in parts of sentences?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Join in. So what did we learn?
Sentence has two parts.
Two parts. Okay. So some are still not. Okay, how many of you all were not there in the last class? Saturday's class. Many were not there, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, let's start. Azad, keep that bed sheet aside and sit in the class properly. I don't want that bed sheet on you. Okay? Sit properly. Okay. So, last class we have studied about parts of sentences. What did we learn?
Parts of sentences.
What did we learn last class? Parts of sentences.
Parts of sentences.
A sentence is divided into how many parts?
Two parts.
Every sentence is divided into two parts. What are the two parts?
Subject and predicate.
Everybody will answer together. Can I understand this? No, right? Tell me one at a time. Okay, tell me your name. Raise your hand. Tell me your name and good speak. Okay, Atharva, tell me.
Subject and predicate.
Subject and predicate. Very good. We have studied subject and predicate. So, do you remember what is subject? Excuse me. Sorry. Tell. Anybody knows what is the subject? Niharika. Okay.
Ma'am.
Niharika, tell me what is the subject first.
I'm doer.
Doer. Excellent, Niharika. Doer. The noun or the pronoun or the doer in a sentence is the subject.
Subject. Doer. Subject.
What is the subject? Then can everybody see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The noun or the pronoun which is used as a doer or about whom we talk about in a sentence is the subject. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody will repeat after me, keeping yourself in mute. Okay? In mute. Do not unmute yourself. Start repeating. The noun or the pronoun.
The noun or the
Mute, Catherine. The noun or the pronoun which is used as a doer or about whom we talk about in a sentence is the subject. Can you see my board? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The subject can be either one word. Divya, Varun, Catherine, Adira, Nafisa, anything, okay? Monkeys, lions, anything, any one word. Or group of words means my parents, the picture, Meena and Reena. Or pronoun, I, you, they. Just 1 minute, okay? One second more. Here we go. Okay. So as I said, a noun can be one word. Like one word.
Ma'am, we want to write this.
No, did I tell you to write anything? No, right? So wait. One word. One word will be Joyrik, right? Joyrik.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll write Joyrik's name itself. Is it right spelling Joyrik? Your spelling is right?
Yes, ma'am.
Joyrik, Adira,
Niren.
then monkeys, any one word, okay? So it will be one word. Then second one is what did I tell you? Second one, who will tell me what did I tell you before writing?
Of words.
Who is telling? Catherine, right? Catherine, tell me.
Of words.
Group of words. Excellent, Catherine. Group
Of words.
of
Group of words.
words. Okay. So group of words. What will be the group of words? My
My
uncle.
My
uncle.
Three boys.
Boys.
the boy
The
is
girl.
Wait. Meena and
Nina.
Reena.
Nina. And
Okay.
Nina.
Then comes the last one. Comes the pronoun. Last one comes the
Pronoun.
pronoun. Pronoun will be I,
She, he, they.
we, they. Okay. Is that clear to everybody? Is this page clear to everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody has any doubt with the noun? No? Can we read the what is the noun once again? What is the subject once again? Okay, we'll read what is the subject once again. So who will read what is the subject? Tell me who will read what is the subject? No. Shri Rudra. I'm new to you here, so if I mispronounce your tell, I'm so sorry. You tell me your name and I'll correct it. Okay? Tell me what is your name? Shri Rugda. Okay, Shri Rugda. Shri Rugda, can you read about subject?
The noun or the pronoun which is used as a doer or about whom we talk about in a sentence is the subject.
Excellent. I'll repeat once again and everybody has to read. Okay, repeat after me. The noun or the pronoun which is used as a doer or about whom we talk about in a sentence is the subject. Okay, what is a predicate now? Just 1 minute, otherwise. Okay, what is the subject? Who will tell me what is the subject? Krishna Priya, can you tell me what is the subject?
Yes, ma'am.
What is predicate?
Ma'am.
What is predicate?
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class.
Can you speak properly first?
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class. Ma'am.
Okay, who will tell me what is predicate?
Ma'am.
Ma'am Adi Devi MB.
Wait. Mayasa is telling me us what. Tell me, Mayasa, what is a predicate? Mayasa, we cannot hear you. You are very low. Everybody mute. Mayasa, tell.
What is said about in the sentence is the predicate.
What is said about a subject is the predicate. Okay. What we tell about a subject is a predicate. Okay. Now everybody just see this one. Okay. So everybody can see what is a predicate? What is said about the subject or the remaining part is of the sentence, or the remaining part of the sentence is the predicate. Okay. What is said about the subject or the remaining part of the sentence is the predicate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll do some examples first.
Ma'am, we have to write that.
No, I'll give you all time. Last class I hardly get few minutes. So now I want to teach you all what is subject and predicate properly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who will tell me a good sentence? Krishna Priya, can you tell me a good sentence? I want a good sentence from you.
Ma'am, that's his mother's name.
His mother's name. Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am,
your
my name is Achut.
Achut? Achut, change your name to Achut there.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, a second. I'm changing.
Okay, till that time, wait. Afterwards, you change your name. First, tell me one sentence, Achut.
Yes, ma'am.
Any sentence, Achut. Don't think so much.
Ma'am, a boy was riding a cycle.
Very good. The boy, what did you say?
Ma'am, may I say
No, now Achut is telling because Achut was not there. So Achut will tell me and explain me what is subject and predicate. So Achut, a boy or the boy?
Yes, ma'am.
A boy or the boy?
The boy.
Okay.
No.
The boy was riding a bicycle. Sorry. Okay. Achut, now you answer me which is the subject in this sentence. Don't take a help of anybody, okay? You have to tell me. Where did Achut go now?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Tell Achut, answer me this one.
Ma'am, the boy is the subject. Was
The
riding
boy
a
is the subject.
bicycle
Achut, go
ready.
slowly. Achut, go slowly. Okay? The
Yes,
boy
ma'am.
is the subject. We are talking here about the boy. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can I?
no, Achut did not finish his turn, right? So let Achut
Yes,
finish.
ma'am. Was riding a cycle that is pretty.
Subject, right, Achut?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Was riding a bicycle.
That's a predicate.
That's predicate. Why is it? Why does the predicate here? Just tell me. Why does the
Ma'am?
predicate? Because
The-
we are
we are-
talking more about the boy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are talking more about the night. What are we talking? Was riding a bicycle. Okay. Now who else
Yes,
wanted
ma'am.
to say a sentence?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Ma'am, you want?
Sribhadra,
Okay, ma'am.
tell me one sentence.
A butterfly fly away.
A butterfly flies away or flew away because it already went. So it will be flew away. A butterfly. Sribhadra, tell me a butterfly
Flew away.
flew away.
English.
Okay. Is it clear with everybody? Is the sentence everybody can see this sentence, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sribhadra, tell me which is the subject in this sentence.
A butterfly.
A butterfly. See, when we're you know consonant and vowels. Did you study consonant and vowels?
Yes.
So whenever there is
Ma'am.
A in front of a consonant, that is B, so you will say a. Okay, a. What you say?
Oh.
Everybody remember this. If it is some other word, then it will be an. Okay, a butterfly. Then just okay. A butterfly will become what?
Subject.
Subject.
Flew away. What is a butterfly doing? Or did? What did a butterfly do? What did a butterfly do?
Flew away.
Flew away. So what will it become?
Predicate.
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 Can I give you all one sentence now?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mute. Shri. Okay.
Ma'am, they have to write on the rough.
No, did I tell you to write anything? No, need of writing.
can I?
No need of writing and no can I. Now I'll call who is saying can, who is not telling can I. Okay.
sound is too low.
Ma'am, can you speak?
Okay, is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have twins in your class, right? What is your name?
Pranav and Pratna.
Pranav and
Pratna.
Pranav and Pratna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now this sentence is for you, Pranav and Pratna. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
now you will tell me. Pranav will tell me.
Meena and Reena are twins.
Read again. Read properly.
Meena and Reena are twins.
Meena and Reena. See, how am I reading? Meena
Meena and Reena are
are
twins.
twins. Okay. So which is the subject over here?
Meena and Reena. Reena.
And Reena. Excellent. Now, Pratna, you tell me which is the predicate.
Are twins.
Are twins. Very good.
Thank you.
Subject and this is predicate. Oh, sorry. This becomes a predicate. Okay. One second. One more time. Can everybody see my screen here? Can
Yes,
you read
ma'am.
the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the first sentence? Who will read?
Yes,
John
ma'am.
will read.
I'm Joanne.
Okay, John.
Ma'am,
Wait,
I'm
everybody mute.
Anika.
John will read. Mute. John, read the first sentence.
A crowd of people gathered at the market.
A crowd of people gathered at the market. Okay. So who will solve this one? Who will tell me this one?
Niharika.
Finished. Arush. Arush also got an opportunity. Sri got an opportunity. Adidev. Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev. How many Adidev are there in this class?
Excuse me, ma'am. I have eye pain.
Okay. So let me.
Ma'am, two are there.
Two Adidev. Okay. So I'll tell you what. Adidev MB.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm writing the sentence. Okay, here. What was the sentence, Adidev? Did you see the sentence?
Ma'am, I forgot it.
You forgot. How can you forget the sentence? I'm showing you the sentence again. Can you see the sentence once again?
Ma'am, you didn't share the screen.
See, it's shared.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
The crowd of people gathered at the market.
A crowd of people gathered at the market. Now you have to solve this one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Adidev, MD, come on, start. What is the subject?
The
What are we
crowd.
talking? Tell me.
The crowd.
Just the crowd?
The crowd of people.
Yes, we are talking about
People.
people. But which people now here again? Which people?
The crowd of people.
The crowd of people. Okay? So the crowd of people will become our
Subject.
subject. Okay. Can we say just the crowd?
A crowd.
Can we say just the crowd?
A crowd.
No.
No, we have to say full. A crowd of people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Adideva, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are talking a crowd of people. We are not talking just people. We are not talking about people, crowd. We are talking, it is a group of words. A crowd of people will become our
Subject.
subject. What is the predicate here?
Gathered at the market.
Okay, gather up. Because this predicate is telling us what does the crowd doing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become
Predicate.
predicate. Okay. So did everyone complete your worksheet 1 and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your homework for today is you have to complete your worksheet number 3 also.
Ma'am, I already complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I already
Yes, ma'am. I will complete.
Those who have completed, very good. Those who have not completed, you have to
Yes, completed.
Okay,
worksheet
ma'am.
number.
Ma'am, I completed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I have iPad.
What?
iPad.
I couldn't understand. What do you have?
iPad.
Eye pain. Okay. What's your name first? Tell me.
Other three.
What?
Other three.
Aditri. Aditri has eye pain. So today is the. So when you'll be okay with your eye pain, your eye will be cured now. That time you write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because next class is on Saturday. So you have full week, right? 4 days in between. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days. Today is Tuesday. So 3 days you'll get to complete. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, then you all have to complete this worksheet also. First you complete this worksheet in your English grammar notebook and you have to complete your worksheet also. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes? Now I want
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Aris Nihal, you just on your camera. Aris never on his camera.
Ma'am, he have a network issue.
Yes. Okay. Vedika, tell me one sentence, Vedika.
A girl danced beautifully.
The girl danced beautifully. Okay. Vedika, you want to answer this, huh? You have to answer this. Is it right, Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vedika, in this sentence, which is the subject, about whom we are going to talk in this sentence, or the duo?
A girl.
A girl. Very good. And what will be the predicate here?
Danced beautifully.
Dance beautifully. Excellent. Okay. Who else will tell me? Arjun, Shri, Rugdha. Hands down, you have got an opportunity today. Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me one sentence? First, speak loudly and tell me one sentence.
The parrot is in a cage.
Arjun, we cannot hear you. Arjun.
The parrot is cage.
The parrot is?
In a cage.
The parrot is in the cage. Very good.
Ma'am,
Arjun, now tell me which is the subject.
the
Ma'am, can you speak little more loudly? I can't hear.
Okay. Tell me which is the subject over here.
Parrot.
Deep.
Parrot.
The parrot is the subject. And what are we talking about the subject over here? What are we talking about the parrot over here?
Predicate.
No, what are we talking about? This is a
Parrot.
predicate.
Ma'am, the subject.
Yes?
Subject.
But, okay, subject. The parrot is the subject, okay. What is the predicate?
It's in the cage. He's in the cage.
Is in the cage. How can you all forget this? Because what are we talking about the parrot? We are talking that the parrot is in the cage. So, is in the cage will become predicate. What it will become?
Predicate.
Predicate.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell a sentence?
Okay, what's your name? First tell me your name.
Aditri.
Aditri. Okay, tell me Aditri one sentence.
Niharika is my best friend.
Okay. Aditri, now answer this.
Ma'am, can you talk a bit more louder?
Aditri, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Niharika is a subject.
Okay.
Is my best friend is predicate.
Very good. So here Niharika is the noun or the doer. And we are talking about Niharika is my best friend. So it will become the predicate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I take the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Adidev MB.
Present, ma'am.
Arush.
Present, ma'am.
Achut.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Sunil is there. Adidev MJ.
Ma'am,
Aditya.
ma'am, Aditri Sunil is present.
Yes, I know some of the names now. I can remember your names, right? Aditya Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Advaita,
Present, ma'am.
Alex.
Ma'am, can you talk little bit loud?
Alex. Okay. Amia.
Ma'am, Amia.
Amaya. Anne Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Is Nihal. Okay. Arjun.
Present, ma'am.
Atharva.
Present,
Sorry,
ma'am.
Arthur.
Ma'am, Arthur.
Arthur.
Ma'am, Arthur.
Arthur. Okay. Adira.
Present, ma'am.
Ain.
Present, ma'am.
Azad.
Present, ma'am.
Catherine. Evelyn.
Present, ma'am.
Hadi. Hale.
Present, ma'am.
Hale.
Present, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Catherine is present.
Janvi.
Present, ma'am.
John.
Ma'am, you didn't call me.
Hazel I called. Joan.
Present, ma'am.
Joyrika.
Present, ma'am.
Mayasa. Niharika.
Present, ma'am.
Niran.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Ratna. Shribhadra. Shribhadra.
Present, ma'am.
Shribhadra is there. Okay. Shri Rugdha nahi. Shribhadra. Shri Rugdha.
Present, ma'am.
And Shribhadra is also present, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Shrenga, Shrijit.
Present, ma'am.
Shringa VS. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Sweden, Paul.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnav.
Present, ma'am.
Vedika.
Present, ma'am.
UN.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so in this case, only Alex is not there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alex.
Alex was there in the first class.
What?
Alex was there in the first.
Alex was there in the first class. Okay. So you are give him a message that he has to join all the classes. Okay. Joining the classes are very much important. Is that clear?
Yes,
So what is the homework? Catherine, can you tell me what is the homework for today?
Complete the worksheet 3 exercise.
Complete worksheet 3.
Exercise.
Exercise.
The worksheet which I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.